Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm joined by Mr. Sauce.
Stibondo Timothy ngisho ngithi na ungafika eMpumalanga ufike eNkomazi ufike eNansi ufike eMbombela bathi akutshela ngendvodza leyodwa bakutshela ngami indvodza lenesource ke lena ngumlandzeli weliqembu lelikhulu eNingizimu Afrika aligcini ngokuba likhulu kuphela the first team to win the star liphaka chuchu liqembu leliStibondo Timothy khuluma lesiqiniseko sokuthi nangabe indiza eNingizimu Afrika iphelelwa ngabe angathi ukuthi indiza ngani kepha nginokuva bathi bandiza ngemagesi letulu liqembu leOrlando Pirates lenda isiqiniseko ukuthi nangabe kuphela lapha igesi baye lapha eMorocco bathi ewadu khuluma Abdesalom wena ungumqeqeshi lowathithindo thendeke ungumqeqeshi lowathatha liqembu leOrlando Pirates walenda liqembu ebantwini lebe bathi liqembu selithe umqeqeshi kepha wena wathi na ufika wenda thindo thendeka Abdesalom wadu wathatha lapha liqembu leOrlando Pirates walinika iMTN eMbombela Stadium eNingizimu Afrika iya ku World Cup eMbombela Stadium bashaya imagoli ngubani Orlando Pirates angisabeva balandzeli yini indzaba ngabeva the criticism it's on social media but not on the field of play yini indzaba basho njalo bayanginika nami bathi ngibe ipresident yaseNingizimu Afrika namhla ngithi ukhulumela ipresident ema 2K Relebohile Mofokeng bekangekho namuhla ulimele uthe makadlala lona mfana bahamba bayomphephetha etindlini bathi ayikhona akamoshakali bathi tshela ukuthi Mduduzi lo akashabalala utawushabalalisa yonke into wafika Mduduzi shabalala wenda thindo thendeka wathi yena utawushabalalisa iNigeria utawushabalalisa iRwanda and eNingizimu Afrika iphakame uyiphakamisile Mduduzi shabalala yini bathi ngumduduzi mabakhuluma ngemduduzi bakhuluma ngemuntu lothoba inhlitiyo iputi Mduduzi shabalala ngiyakubamba ulithethe liqembu leNingizimu Afrika namhla walisale akusuye yedwa kepha ke siNingizimu Afrika sibambene sabumbana saba imbumbe saba indvo yinye saliphakamisa live leNingizimu Afrika man of the match hayikhona man of the match ubani Mputi ngitawunika umuntu leyedwa ubani Mputi wathi makafika eNingizimu Afrika bathi wena umqeqeshi weliqembu leNingizimu Afrika wathi eNingizimu Afrika nidlala umsangano bamsola labanyenti kepha ke baphakamisa emasokisi labanye bathi nabaphakamisa emasokisi ubani Mputi walanza emaplayer Sundowns langu7 ubani Mputi walanza amaplayer Sundowns lane balandzela bang57 ubani Mputi Hugo Bruce For me, Bruce. For me, Stibo. Let us be honest as a country. Let us be honest to ourselves as a country. Let us be honest to our respective teams that we support. I'm a Pirates supporter. I love Pirates players. When they're not in the national team, I get hurt. But at the end of the day, it's about South Africa.
Thank you very much.
But Hugo Bruce, he gave South Africa a constructive criticism. I think that's what most of us are failing to understand. When the guy came, he said players are playing for social media. When was the last time you see Thembinkosi Lotcho on social media? It's only when we did Casablanca post him to say, Hugo Bruce select our play. And the unfortunate part is that we do not have ambassadors who are going to fall from the 22nd floor. Unlike the one who fall from France. Unlike the I'll be honest. Unlike the one who fall. That guy was our minister. He wanted to give us a 22 million rand flag. He failed to give us the 22 million rand flag. He gave us a 22 million rand death.